Hi, back again. Update 3. I made quite a bit of progress in the last week or so. I've now actually got 2 main lines running. If not perfectly, I seem to spend more of my time jumping under and over this layout than a hurdler. But anyway, I'm getting there. The viaduct is now done. I've just got to put all the feet in, but it's worked quite well. I'm quite happy with that. I'm still thinking about how to do the pillars for support. I've got a few ideas. If any suggestions will be great. But the main thing for the last week or so has been my point control, and I've finally got 10 points up and running. My wiring has got a lot to be desired, as has my soldering. I've used these small switches which are, as you can see, tiny. Now my soldering skills are not very good, so I managed to burn out the first one. Just burnt the plastic, trying to get the metal hot, but I did sort it out. And as you see under here now, it's a bit like spaghetti western, but they do all work. As you can see over here, but they do make a loud noise. But I'm quite chuffed with that, because that seems to take me ages. I've still got to do all the siding tracks up here and fit the points, but I am getting there. I haven't even started on this bit down below yet, the station area and everything, but hopefully I get 2 weeks off at Christmas. I'll be able to spend a bit of time on it. There's my sound Cock of the North. I didn't realise how amazing, what difference it makes. I'm still testing, and I'm still spending a lot of time just trying to sort the track out, but I probably wish I brought new track and not tried to make do with second hand. I seem to spend all my time screwing and unscrewing track. I have got the number 1 A4. I've had her chipped, so that's what I actually based the line on. This engine's about 20 years old, but she does run smooth, and I will set her up and get her running. Over here as well, I've had this one chipped. This is an N2, and that apparently is a day pod, and apparently that's about 35 years old, but it's in mint condition. But hopefully when my soldering skills get better, I'll be able to fit a few more engines with chips. So there we go. So now I will just get Cock of the North running. he says. Probably better if I put her number in. Then she should go. A bit fast on the accelerator. I haven't sorted that out yet. I've been trying to do so many different things. Well, there we go. And this is from a different angle. This is the end. This is still the end 2 really. After dropping everything. Like I say, you couldn't plan that. I am having problems with my track. As you see, my editing skills have got no better. But there we go for now. Thanks for watching. And hopefully I can return and actually run 2 trains without one falling to pieces. Any comments would be appreciated. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. Bye for now.